If you have a laundry machine that sits side by side like this, you might want to consider this countertop. There are several reasons why, but first I do want to say that this was sent to me to review. However, all the opinions here are my own and not influenced in any way by the seller. There are a few benefits to having a countertop like this. First and foremost, if you just bought a new set of laundry machines, I highly encourage you to protect it. You see, had I known that a product like this existed, I would have bought it when I bought my new machines. If you take a look at the surface, you can see it's all scratched up and worn out because we usually place the detergent here while pouring it into the slot. And yes, you can prevent all the scratches by using a cloth underneath the detergent, but having a countertop like this would have made it a whole lot better and a whole lot more efficient. Secondly, I like the fact that there's no gap in between the machines. This means that I can actually utilize this area to fold clothes. I've never bothered to fold clothes on top of the machines before because I don't want things like socks to fall into the gap. But this countertop eliminates that problem and also provides 3 walls to prevent the clothes from falling to the sides or behind the machine. Thirdly, this countertop goes so well with my machines. So I have these Samsung machines and they're really nice, and I really like the fact that this black wood grain countertop complements it so well. I'm completely in awe with this countertop, and I should have gotten something like this a long time ago had I known that it existed. Installation was also really simple, and they include all the hardware and screwdrivers, so even if you have no access to tools, you'll be fine. Overall, I really like it, and although it's just a simple countertop, I really can't get over the fact that it completely made my utility room usable and aesthetically pleasing. Highly recommended.